we are going to continue to learn how to convert fraction to decimal, decimal to percent. Now we're going to convert fraction to percent. So first, we need to convert fraction to decimal by dividing. And then whatever we have for the decimal, we want to convert to percent. We're gonna move the decimal. Let's start with number 1. Let's convert 7/8 into a percent form. So first we need decimal. So we need to divide them first. So I'm gonna divide 7 divided by 8. 7 is smaller, cannot divide by 8. I need to borrow 0 and return a decimal. 70 divided by 8. How many times did 8 go into 70? 8 times, because 8 times 8, 64. 70 minus 64, I got 6. I borrow 0. 60 divided by 8, you got 7. 7 times 8, 56. 60 minus 56, you got 4. 40 divided by 8, you got 5. 5 times 8, 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So we're done. So 7/8 means 0.875. So we need to move the decimal to get from decimal to percent. Remember percent symbol on the right side, so you move the decimal to the right. 1, 2. So now you have 87.5%. Okay. Number 2, you have 1 and 5, 6 mixed number. So I'm gonna ignore number 1, the whole number. I'll just convert 5, 6. 5 inside, 6 outside. So can 5 divide by 6? No. I borrow 0. I'll return a decimal. 50 divided by 6, how many times does 6 go into 50? 8 times 6 is 48. 50 subtract to 48 is 2. Borrow 0. 20 divided by 6 is 3. 3 times 6, 18. Drop out a 2. Now 20 divided by 6 again, you have another 3. So now you have a repeating decimal. Okay, so you're gonna move the decimal 2 places to the right to get to the percent. 1, 2. So we have 83.3. However, don't forget there's a 1 right here. It's a whole number. Put this 1 back. So we have 183.3%. Number 3, 19/20. Convert to percentage. I'm going to divide. 19 divide 20. Okay, 19 smaller, so it cannot divide 20. So I'm gonna borrow the 0. Return a decimal. 190 divided by 20 is how much? 19 divided by 2, you will have 9. Because 9 times 2 is 18. Close, right? 9 times 20 is 180. 19 minus 18, 1. borrow 0. 100 divided by 20. 10 divided by 2, you got 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. So 0.95, but I need in percentage. So I need to move my decimal 2 places to the right. So 95%. So you just learned how to convert fraction to percent. I'm gonna erase the mess. Okay, next we're gonna learn how to convert percent to fraction. Percent mean out of 100. So you write the number over 100 and make sure you reduce it or simplify it. Okay? So let's start with number 1, 16%. So I need to convert percent to fraction. Mean we have 16 out of 100. And we need to simplify it. So I'm gonna divide the top and bottom by 2. So 16 divided by 2, I got 8. 100 divided by 2, I got 50. However, 8 still can divide more by 2. And by 2, I got 4 out of 25. That's the final answer. 16% mean 4 out of 25. Number 2, 18.1%. 18.1%. So, percent mean out of 100. But we cannot have a decimal over. We cannot have the decimal in a fraction. So I need to get rid of decimal. So what I will do is I'm gonna multiply the top and the bottom by 10. So I can get rid of the decimal. So 18.1 times 10. I have 181 over 100 times 10 mean 1000 will be my final answer for my fraction. 18.1% mean 181 out of 1000. Kind of hard, right? 205% mean 205 out of 100. So 5 and 0, I know that this can divide by 5. 800 divided by 5, I got 20. 205 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5, I got 4. 4 times 5, 20. Drop down to 5. 5 divided by 5, I got 1. So 41 out of 20. If you know how to turn this one to a mixed number, that would be awesome. But I'm going to teach you in Unit 2. So if you know how to turn 41 divided by 20, go ahead and do it. I will tell you the answer in just a moment. So it's going to be 2 and 1 over 20. Number 3, you're gonna convert decimal into a fraction. So this is the hardest part, okay? So just follow me. You will be awesome. Okay. Decimal to fraction. Write the numbers behind the decimal as the numerator. Write the place value as the denominator. If there is a number to the left of the decimal, write the whole number in front of the fraction. Kind of like a mixed number. I'll show you just a moment. And we simplified it, okay? So the 0, for example, look at the yellow one right here. 0.8. So the number behind the decimal is on the numerator, 8. The denominator out of 10, because this is the place value. This is the 10, right? So you write out 10. So 8 over 10, make sure you simplify it to 4/5. So let's take a look at number 1, 0.12. 0.12, write the number behind as the numerator over the place value. So the place value, this is the, not the 10th, the 100. Very good. So 12 out of 100. Simplified it. Divide by 2 and see what happened. You will have 6 out of 50. 6 and 50 can divide by 2. It will be 3 out of 25. Final answer. So convert decimal to fraction. You have 3 out of 25. Number 2. 12.4. Okay, this is the mixed number. So you will have 12 and a fraction. Look at step 3. If there's a number to the left of the decimal, 12 is on the left, right is at the whole number in front of the fraction. Okay, so you will have 0.4. 0.4. 4 will be a numerator. The denominator will be the place value, 10. And remember to simplify it. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, you have 2/5. So we'll have 12 and 2/5. Awesome. Number 3. Everything behind the decimal is the numerator. To the place value is the denominator. So it is not the 10th, not the 100. It is the 1,000 place. So 7 out of 1,000. Great job.